behind the scene maintenance. I wish I would have showed it to y'all before we started, but y'all know how all that stuff started getting caked up on there. Some people just don't never wash theirs, and they start getting like this right here all over here, and then it be so thick and caked up to where when they do finally go ahead and wash it, man, this right here come off so easy. Spray your little easy off on, let it sit. Get you some, I got some of this Dissolve. That's what I use for my carpet cleaning. Water. Man, you spray that easy on, easy off on there for a few minutes. Just let it sit. You come back through with this Brillo, steel wool, whatever y'all call it. Stuff just wipe right off. Then you take your water, just rinse it off. Look at that. Just rinse it. I mean, you know, we wipe it too, but I ain't got the gloves on. I didn't think about it to make a video. But look how that just wiped out. So when we get the gloves on, we just come back through and wash it. It's not just easy. And then you just come back and do your final rinse and clean all this. We keep our stuff clean. Then our hood vents, I gotta redo all this and stuff. That heat done. We gotta hurry up and take care of this because I don't want that. Oh, it's gonna pull that. But we gotta get that. The man coming tomorrow to resurface. You know, every year you got to, you know, get all this stuff tagged. And see September, he come every September and check all the fire, you know, all this stuff right here. Make sure you tag that one. And that's the fire suppression system back here. He tagged that. He just come, make sure everything still good. So I'm gonna let him wait till he come tomorrow. That tape on there. I don't want to mess with it, then pull it and let that thing go off. Cause my daughter did that before. But anyway, that's how we do this. That's why you see, if y'all ever come to our events, this thing is always clean. Once, probably every 2 weeks, we'll clean it. Then I take these out here. Those are the hood vents. You see how they get all that grease in there? All that grease between there. See, if you don't clean those will catch on fire too. So I take my pressure washer gun, hook it up to my carpet cleaning truck. Just like this right here. It's about to get loud. Turn it up. Make sure I got some water in here. Which I don't. Let me go fill that up with water. Hold tight. All right. Hook the water hose up. Now I'll take my pressure washing gun. Spray them down. And the good thing about it, I can put the heat. I can turn my heat on my machine. Have heat. But once you spray these things down with that degreaser, you ain't got to do with that rinse. I'm going to put some more on that one. That's all that black tape. Coming on off. Look at that up there at the top. Look it up. Just like that, look. Easy peasy. This one, I think that's that tape. So it's been a little bit more difficult for me. But I'll just put some more degrees on it, let it sit a little more. Come on now. Alright guys, as you can see, I put the degreaser on it. Worked it a little bit. Easy peasy. Pressure washer gun. So I get the fan spray now. I'm gonna rinse them off. Now I'm gonna do the back sides. See y'all, this is what I was talking about, this tape. See, that's tape. See right there? From that ceiling. I'm gonna have to get dude to fix that. See up there at the top? It done started coming loose. See it? And that tape done started melting that heat, I guess. Alright. This one right here in the middle, it really get dirty. Cause it's right there in front of that vent, that exhaust hood, where the fan is, and it pulling all that, it pull right up through this middle one. So this one be the dirtiest. So I just want to try to see how that tastes. Come on off with that degreaser. I'm gonna put a bit more degreaser. You know, get it a few times, but then come on off. Alright. I mean, once that one drop. No. All right, go ahead. She got to come wipe them down, y'all. She always got to come behind me. Now you see, ain't no difference.
It is, look.
Look, when you just set that up, it was just in the other spot. Yeah. Okay, go ahead.
You might as well spray the trailer down too long. Where's a fan coming from up under here?
What?
It's a fan up under here.
What?
It's air coming from under here.
It comes from my machine. Exhaust. On the carpet cleaning van. Watch out. No difference.
It with this. Especially when they dry.
Put it on the ground.
All right.
All right, guys. Now I put this up here for the final rinse. Get all that degreaser out of there. Rinse it down real good. And then just let them air dry. But I ain't gonna put them back up in the ceiling. Because like I said, the extinguisher, the fire marshal guy who, well not marshal, but he the guy who put the fire suppression system up. He got to come service it tomorrow. So I'm gonna just leave it down. Oh, he'll talk about this. If the vent is breezy, he gonna talk about it. Because he used to work for the fire inspection place. And he'll tell you, boy, that'll cause a grease spot. I suggest at least once a month, depending on how often you cook, to clean these. And your fryer, probably every 2 weeks, depending on how often you cook. Now, people who go out every day and have it going at least 5 hours a day, they need to do it at least once a week. But we don't go out like that. We probably go out 3 to 4 times a week. So I was gonna get that bad. It'd be very rarely we have a whole full week. Because like I said, we clean carpet too. So. Just keep rinsing till you see all the degrees are gone. You can tell when the degrees are, because the water was coming down and still have white in it. Once you see it just clear, roll it down, you know most of the grease is gone. Got to rinse them real good, front and back. Because the one with the grease on there, that's flammable. I say that's about do it. She's finishing up on that stove. Move to the side. Show y'all the end results. You got that squeegee? Where that squeegee at?
I gotta rinse this out again.
I'm talking about getting all the water out. Just do the squeegee.